சாக்லேட் என்பது எல்லா வயதினரும் விரும்பி உண்ணும் விருந்தாகும். ஆனால் டோப்லரோனுக்கு வரும்போது இது பெரும்பாலும் ஒரு தனித்துவமான முறையீட்டைக் கொண்டுள்ளது. இது பெரியவர்களுக்கு ஒரு விருந்துடன் ஒப்பிடலாம்.
Recipe you can use as a starting point. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 grams, gnocchetti pasta, small gnocchi, 4-6 sausages, casings removed 2 medium carrots, peeled and diced 1 medium onion, finely chopped 2 cloves of garlic, minced 1 cup tomato sauce, 1/2 cup chicken or vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional, salt and pepper to taste, grated Parmesan cheese, for serving fresh basil leaves. For garnish instructions: bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cook the gnocchetti pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. In a large skillet or frying pan, heat a little olive oil over medium heat. Add the sausage meat and cook, breaking it up with a wooden spoon, until browned and cooked through. Remove the cooked sausage from the pan and set aside. In the same skillet, add a little more olive oil if needed, then add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and diced carrots. Cook for about 5 minutes, or until the vegetables have softened. Certainly, here's a recipe for Chantal Nicholson's vegan pea, broad bean, and caramelized onion phyllo pie. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 large onions, thinly sliced 2 cloves of garlic, minced 1 cup peas, fresh or frozen, 1 cup broad beans, fresh or frozen, 1 tablespoon fresh thyme leaves, 1 tablespoon fresh mint leaves, finely chopped zest of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, 8 sheets of vegan phyllo pastry, olive oil spray or melted vegan butter. For brushing instructions: preheat your oven to 188 degrees C, 358 degrees F. Heat the olive oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and cook until caramelized, stirring occasionally. This should take around 15-20 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for an additional minute. Meanwhile, bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Add the peas and broad beans and cook for about 3 minutes, or until just tender. Drain and rinse under cold water to cool them down. Once the onions are caramelized, add the cooked peas, broad beans, thyme leaves, mint leaves, and lemon zest to the pan. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Here's a simple recipe you can use as a starting point. Ingredients: 1 sheet of store-bought puff pastry, 2 cups mixed greens, such as spinach, kale, or Swiss chard, chopped 1 onion, finely chopped 2 cloves of garlic, minced 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 3 eggs, 1/4 cup heavy cream, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil. For cooking instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees F, 198 degrees C. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, and saute till the copyright until softened and lightly golden. Add the mixed greens to the skillet and cook until wilted. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Remove from heat and set aside to cool. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, heavy cream, and grated Parmesan cheese. Season with salt and pepper. Roll out the puff pastry on a lightly floured surface to fit your pie dish. Line the dish with the pastry, allowing any excess to hang over the sides. Spoon the cooled greens mixture into the pastry-lined dish. Pour the egg and cheese mixture over the greens. making sure it is evenly distributed. Fold the excess pastry over the top of the filling to create a rustic-looking crust. You can also Spanish-style sausage and beans. Ingredients: 4 Spanish-style sausages, such as chorizo, 1 onion, finely chopped 2 garlic cloves, minced 1 red bell pepper, diced 1 can, 400 grams, of chopped tomatoes 1 can, 400 grams, of cannellini beans, drained and rinsed 1 teaspoon smoked paprika salt and pepper, to taste fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: heat a large frying pan or skillet over medium heat. Add the sausages and cook until browned and cooked through. Remove the sausages from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add the onion, garlic, and red bell pepper. Sauté copyright until the vegetables are softened and lightly browned. Add the chopped tomatoes and smoked paprika to the pan. Stir well to combine. Slice the cooked sausages into bite-sized pieces and return them to the pan. Add the cannellini beans as well. Stir to mix everything together. Reduce the heat to low and simmer the sausage and bean mixture for about 15-20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Garnish with fresh parsley before serving. Picnic loaf. Ingredients: 1 large round loaf of crusty bread, such as a sourdough or French loaf, 150 grams cooked ham, sliced 150 grams salami, sliced 100 grams. Sure, here's a recipe for vegetable samosas. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt water. For dough, 2 cups mixed vegetables, such as potatoes, peas, carrots, beans, finely chopped 1 small onion, finely chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, Indian spice blend, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, optional. For heat, salt to taste. Vegetable oil for deep frying. Instructions: start by preparing the dough. In a mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, and salt. Mix well until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Gradually add water, a little at a time, and knead the mixture to form a smooth and pliable dough. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, prepare the filling. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Add the chopped onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger to the pan. Sauté copyright until the onions become. Rosie Sykes is a renowned chef and cookbook author known for her budget-friendly and delicious recipes. While I couldn't find specific budget recipes by Rosie Sykes featuring raspberries after my knowledge cutoff in September 2023, I can provide you with a general idea of how you can incorporate raspberries into budget-friendly dishes. Here are a few suggestions. Raspberry oatmeal. Start your day with a budget-friendly and nutritious breakfast by adding fresh or frozen raspberries to a bowl of oatmeal. Cook the oatmeal according to package instructions and stir in a handful of raspberries. Top with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of chopped nuts for extra flavor and texture. Raspberry salad. Create a refreshing salad using budget-friendly ingredients. Combine mixed greens or spinach with sliced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and crumbled feta cheese. Add a handful of raspberries for a burst of sweetness. Toss with a simple vinaigrette made with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Raspberry yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, granola, and raspberries in a glass or jar to create a delicious and budget-friendly parfait. Repeat the layers until you fill the glass or jar. You can also drizzle a small amount of honey between the layers for added sweetness. Raspberry smoothie. Make a watermelon lemonade. This drink combines the sweetness of watermelon with the tartness of lemonade. resulting in a delightful and thirst-quenching beverage. To make watermelon lemonade, you can blend fresh watermelon chunks and strain the juice. Mix the watermelon juice with freshly squeezed lemon juice, a sweetener of your choice, such as sugar or honey, and chilled water. Serve it over ice for a cool and fruity treat. Strawberry lemonade. Strawberry lemonade is a classic picnic drink that brings together the tanginess of lemons with the natural sweetness of strawberries. Start by blending fresh strawberries and straining the puree to remove any seeds. Combine the strawberry puree with freshly squeezed lemon juice, water, and sweetener. You can adjust the sweetness according to your preference. Serve it chilled with some ice cubes and garnish with lemon slices or fresh strawberries. Iced tea. Iced tea is a versatile and popular choice for picnics. You can make it with various tea flavors like black tea, green tea, or herbal tea, depending on your taste. Brew the tea according to the instructions on the package and allow it to cool. Once cooled, add sweetener if desired, and chill it in the refrigerator. Serve the iced tea over ice and garnish with lemon slices, mint leaves, or other fruits for added flavor and visual appeal. Remember to bring some containers, cups, and ice packs to keep your drinks cool during the picnic. Also, consider making extra batches or bringing a cooler filled with ice.